welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time, browse through my channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies share there, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. This is very important. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so this is very important. Let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. This had been on downtrend for a while, starting from the resistance zone. You can see the red flag, the red arrows signifying that the market is on downtrend, and it is a sell signal that is going very well at the moment. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, even though it is at the support zone. If it's unable to break out below that, it will go back on buy trend, but for now it is still selling. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay, this is boom 500, and just the way we're seeing this had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Even though the market, the movement is not that smooth, but it is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. It is at the resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above it, it will go back on downtrend, but once it breaks out above it, then it will keep on buying. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000, and just the way we are saying this started an uptrend right from here. You can see the yellow flag, and of course it kept on going up and up, and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. However, it is very close to a resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will go back on sell trend. We should take note of that also. Okay, so this is very important. Now let's check out crash 500. This is crash 500, and of course this is what we have at the moment. At this resistance zone, it was unable to break out above it, so we have a CIT strategy applied from there. Okay, and of course this gave us a downtrend signal and of course a sell signal, and it has been selling since then. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is V75, and V75 had been on downtrend for a very long time, breaking out from most support zones, and of course it is still selling at the moment. If it breaks out below here, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, so we need to take note of that. And of course remember, there are some conditions attached to each of the analysis, so you should be able to apply them whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora detectorK, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.